Hello babies, welcome back to the Professor Anamita's class. In today's episode, I will give you 101 tip to style prints on prints effortlessly. Oh god. So, although it's not a funny class, but you may laugh because unintentionally I came out so funny. I'm a awkwardly funny person. I'm a very awkward human being and I don't know what I say, you don't understand what I say something, you understand something. ऐसे कैसे चलेगा भैया? So please try to understand me and let's get back to the topic. So the tip number one is So, the tip number one is always use two kinds of prints that are similar and complementary to each other, like the stripes and florals, or the checks and florals, or the checks and indigo print. I mean to say, block print, dabu print.
As you see in the clip, I have wore a check shirt with a floral denim shorts. The two are so complementing to each other and give it a more street style kind of look. And I have styled it with a oxidized neck piece, and there we go. It is so comfortable as well as effortless print.
The tip number two is if you are using the stripes, make sure the stripes are the two kind of stripes that are the vertical one and the horizontal one. Vertical one have tendency to show the area longer and the horizontal one have tendency to show the area wider. So use accordingly. In the clip,
In this clip, I have wore a horizontal tube top with a vertical mid-calf pant, and to complement the base color of the outfit, that is white, I have wore a white shirt inside. You can wear it outside as you wish, and this leads us to our tip number 3.
you can also use the neutrals to balance out the outfit.
The white in the three pieces are supporting each other so well, and to give it a hint of color, I have wore a bright magenta hoops and a brown belt to complete the look. So please take care of the color scheme while styling prints on prints.
The tip number 5 is use brighter prints with the dull one.
In this outfit, to match the florals of the top, I draped a dabu print indigo dupatta as a skirt, and the peach and the blue are going so well. So many things are already happening in this outfit. So to settle it a bit, I wore a pearl necklace to complete the look. Ugh, I don't know why I forgot to shot the clip for this video. Anyways, the big floral prints exaggerate the area and the tiny ones make it subtle. So in this clip, I have draped a multicolor floral print fabric as my top and wear it with a symmetrical ruffle skirt with tiny floral print. I have also used the upper fabric as my hair accessory, which is obviously not.
Okay, so the last tip is ignore everyone, wear it what you want, and slay with confidence, and always, always, always obey your professor. I am the professor. Professor is me. Please follow my tips.
I know I have gone overboard for this look, but anyways, I like the whole result. The shirt has small dots in it. I don't know what small dots are exactly called. The big ones are called polka dots. Anyways, the top has floral print and the skirt is the same indigo one. The scarf has also floral print. I don't know why what I was thinking, but it was a good example of not to care anyone's.
So, thank you so much for watching the video. Keep supporting, keep loving, keep understanding, and wait until the next video comes. Very good.